Okay guys, so you're probably wondering though, we've been talking much about how you can maintain your laptops, handle your mobile phones, and also use different apps. So when are we going to start talking about how to earn free money, like legit money online? Well, you guys are in luck today because today we're going to talk much about how you, yes I mean you, can earn free and legit money by playing online video games. So guys, let's get started. Hello peeps, it's your boy Yosas. Welcome to TLM. We talk about tech and innovations and majorly how you can earn free money online. Please, after the video, do your best to click the like and subscribe button under, and also if you have any questions in the comments, or just leave them in the description box down below. Okay, so guys, so we're gonna start off by kicking off on how you can earn like real money, like legit money online. I'm for real, guys. And guys, as a matter of fact, many people, like tons of people, have been able to earn money from those gaming platforms, like lots and lots of cash, guys. So what's stopping you from playing this kind of games? Is it that you have any other leisure thing to do, or any other recreational activity that you up to? Well, you don't have to be an expert gamer to be able to earn money on those game platforms. All you need to do is just play, and play. Like seriously guys, those game platforms are legit. And the one great thing about it is that you guys don't need to like have much work to do. All you need to do while you're playing, you're earning. As simple as that. And one other thing, I noticed that many of you, our viewers, are gamers too, and you guys have many online games on your phones probably, and you probably pay for those online games like $10 to $15 to buy the game. And yes, most of you, the games that you see on the net to download are not what you really play. Like you can see like an action game, and then you download it, and then you see a totally different game on your app. And then when you download it, you're not really interested in what you downloaded and what you paid for. So your $10 to $15 is gone. Poof. Like totally gone. So guys, these game platforms I'm going to show you right now are legit. And one interesting fact is not just that you can actually earn money while you're playing those games. The fact is that you're going to enjoy the games you're going to play. There are tons of games there, from action to arcade to adventure to puzzle games. There are a lot of games, guys. And the funny thing is about that, what you want is what you play. So all you have to do is earn and play. So guys, just sit back and relax. Let me do the talking, you do the clicking. And please don't forget to click the like and subscribe button after the video. Okay, so guys, I'm going to show you 3 major apps in which you can actually earn free money by playing online games. Well, I know most of you are still wondering though, is this guy for real? What if it's a scam? What if it's just a fake thing? What if it's not free? What if it's not legit? Well guys, just calm down, like really calm down. Everything I'm going to show you here is legit, like 100% legit, and it's really for free. All you have to do is just log into those sites, and then you can start earning while you're playing. Because in online gaming world, you have to pay to play, but in our gaming world, we play to gain. So guys, let's get started on the first game that you can actually earn money while you're playing. Number 1. So first thing you need to do, you need to go into your Google Chrome, go into your Chrome and search for Quick Rewards. That's the name of the site that you're looking for. Quick Rewards. This site is a legit site and is legit and trusted and free. Yes, free in the sense that you earn money from playing video games, not free in the sense that you just sign up for free though. Like that's one thing. So while you're on this site, all you need to do is just play games. You can actually watch videos or get their offers, or also shop online or do surveys, but what I suggested for you was to play games. So there's a place here that you can click play games. That's right there. Once you play games, once you sign up, first thing is first, you need to sign up, create an account with them. Then you go and play games with them. You play games. If you don't sign up, you
might not be eligible to play games. Yeah. So Quick Rewards is an amazing site that you can play a lot of games, do a lot of things. People come here to shop, people come here to do offers or watch videos or do surveys. They are so amazing. Like seriously, guys. So Quick Rewards is a trusted site that is owned by joint company, and they have also linked with PayPal. They pay you with PayPal, which is also a secured site too. So with this account, you can be sure that your money can be withdrawn at any given point in time, and you're sure that you can withdraw your money in an easy and fast way. Okay, so guys, so the second app I'm going to be showing you right now is World Winner. Well, I know some of you must have heard of it though, World Winner, because it's a trusted site too, and it's popular among gamers because they normally get paid to play their games. And this site is amazing. So just go to your Google Chrome and type World Winner. Yeah, World Winner. That's it right here. So you click on it and boom. And then just wait a little bit for the site to load, and then boom, World Winner opens. This site is legit, as I said before, and you can play games, your favorite games, as a matter of fact, to earn real money. There are also special offers for you to win, just for you to select any game of your choice while you're playing, you're earning. You also do tournaments. You can pick different tournaments that you want. And also, if you scroll down, there are also prizes that they normally give out every single day. Yes, there is over $250 million that are prized out of every daily tournament each day. Isn't that amazing, guys? And for the entry fee, you need to pay the entry fee of 25 cents for each cash tournament. Yes. And one of the most interesting facts about this site is that you can withdraw your winnings whenever you want. They don't have like a stagnant limit that you have to reach, that you need to withdraw your amount. All you need to do, whenever you just made a quick money, just withdraw it anytime. Guys, this is amazing. And it's also available on Android and App Store. And if you want to join their apps, all you need to do is click on join now. So guys, what are you waiting for, guys? Just join this app and you're gonna enjoy it, and I promise you 100% that you won't regret it, because you can play with your first free deposit. It's just amazing. They give you a first free trial so that you can do, and after that you have to pay to play. Yeah, and after playing, like I said before, you then play to gain. So guys, I hope you download this app and you use it, and also tell your friends about it too, so that you can also gain more info of how you can earn much money on your side hustle. Okay, so guys, so the last app I'm gonna show you right now is my favorite. As a matter of fact, I really love that one. Like, it's my best. The name of this app is actually Uplay, but this one is an app. You have to download it. Yeah, so you have to go to your Play Store and download the app. Yeah, just go to your Play Store, search for Games Up. Yeah. There are a lot of games up there, but this is the legit one. Like, I already installed mine, so that's the one you should install. Games Up Pro, play games and win. That's the one you should play. So as you can see, I've already installed mine, so you should do well to install yours. This game is 100% legit. So these are just the reviews. So I just go right up and click open, and this is the site of the game. Although they have a lot of ads and stuff, but you can just click it out though. You can just click it out. Guys, I'm just gonna show you like a brief sample of one of the games that's here. It's called Pumpkin Slash. Click play button. Yeah. Slash out the pumpkins. Ooh la la. Beware of the bums, man. Bums will kill you. Oh, game over. I'm a really bad player though, man. Seriously. Okay, so I want to show you one last thing. This game have a lot of different games on their site, so you can do your best to just select any one of your choice. As you can see, it's legit. They show you how many people have actually played this game. Like the one I played, Pumpkin Slash, 12.3 million played it. Dead End, 2.1 million. Evil Rain, 2.9 million. Gilbo Jump, 2.1 million. Pixel Zombie, 1.3. There are a lot. And this Rapunzel is pretty amazing though. Like seriously, she's fine. I really hope you really like the video. Play some tournaments, win money, and don't forget me too. So just hit the like and subscribe button, please, guys. Thank you.
Okay guys, so that's all for today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to click the like and subscribe button under. And if you have any questions or comments, just leave them in the description box below. So thank you and see you guys next week. Have a blessed day.